The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in western North Carolina, Northeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, Yancey County in western North Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Greeneville, Tennessee, or 5 miles north of Hot Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Burnsville, Marshall, Swannanoa, Weaverville, Mars Hill, Hot Springs, Ramseytown, Green Mountain and Swiss. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Madison, Buncombe, and Yancey.